Most Americans don't know that there was once a fire even more devastating than the wildfires in Los Angeles. Although the conditions were ideal for a fire, a few crucial decisions by the local government may have turned this wildfire exponentially worse. Tourism has recently surpassed the agriculture industry in Hawaii, which has led Maui to send more water and resources to hotels and luxury real estate and fewer resources to the massive farms inland. Once these farms stopped getting attended to, they became extremely overgrown, and in recent years, extremely dry and flammable brush has been sweeping the land. Once this region stopped getting cared for, there was a bunch of concerns from Hawaiian residents about the electrical power lines that hung low, had aging poles, and were overtopped the highly flammable brush. But Hawaii Electric didn't seem too concerned. On the night of August 9th, a powerful Category 4 hurricane was a couple hundred miles offshore from Maui and was causing extreme winds to rip through the island. Maui has 78 different sensors across their power grid system, and they suddenly started getting signals that dozens of them were going off, alerting of faults in the system. Maui residents were getting awoken to flashing bright lights, likely electrical explosions, from when the trees were falling down onto the power lines. Any kind of spark from these power lines immediately caught fire to the overgrown brush below. The hurricane-force winds were only getting stronger and led these new flames to travel extremely fast and amplify rapidly. The local government was considering setting off the emergency horn to alert the island, but was afraid this would lead residents to think there was a tsunami coming, where the protocol was for the residents to move to higher ground, which was exactly where the fires were forming. Although the Maui Fire Department responded fast, they quickly ran out of water. Once the local government received the request from the fire department to dip into the local reservoir for more water, the government didn't give them the water right away because they were concerned how that diversion of water would affect a local farmer's crops. Finally, after 5 hours, as massive regions of the island were already engulfed in flames, the Maui Fire Department was finally given permission to use the extra water from the reservoir. But at this point, it was just too little, too late.